Rowdy Science. I'm your host, Rowdy. Today we're talking about the very basics of thin layer chromatography, TLC for short. I'll take you through the steps of how to run one. Your first step is to prepare your developing chamber. You want to take your desired solvent, say a mixture of chloroform and methanol, and fill the bottom of the chamber just so it touches all of the bottom. You don't want to fill up too much or it may ruin your TLC. Recap the chamber and put it to the side while you do the next steps. The second step is to prepare your TLC plate. You can do this a myriad of ways. Here I'm just providing an example of how I like to do it. I first cut up my TLC plate to my desired length, then using a pencil and ruler, gently make an end line, a starting line, 3 dots on the starting line, an S which indicates your dissolved starting material, a P which indicates your dissolved product material, and an M meaning a mixture of both. Once you've prepared your TLC plate, you next want to spot your plates. Your first step is to make an aliquot of your dissolved starting material and your dissolved product material separately. Then using a capillary tube, gently make a spot at the starting material using the starting aliquot and a product material at the product aliquot. You don't need a mixed aliquot. Just use the starting aliquot and also spot at the mixed, and use your product and also start at the mixed. This will allow a mixture of both without having to make an aliquot. Another tip is to put a finger at the end of the capillaries, or too much liquid may come out at once. Once you spot your plate, you want to develop your TLC plate. To do this, gently put your prepared TLC plate into the developing chamber and allow it to develop until the solvent front has reached the end line. After it's done this, gently take out and dry. After drying, you either have to assess your spots using UV light or a dye, like iodine. TLC is mainly used to assess the purity of your product or to see if your reaction needs to continue running. On this TLC plate, we have 1 spot for starting material, 1 spot for product material, and then 2 spots in the mix, which would indicate that your product is very pure. However, in this TLC plate, we have starting material in the product material. So this may indicate that you need to continue running reaction or add heat to get all the starting material to turn into product. This is just the very basics of running TLC. I'll add some more theory in later videos. Thanks for watching. This was Rowdy with Rowdy Science.